The Nothing Phone 1 was one of the most unique smartphones we saw in 2022. OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei started Nothing with a goal of breathing some new life into the stagnant mobile market. Now that the company has declared its intentions with the Phone 1, what can we expect from the Nothing Phone 2? In this video, we will review everything we know about the Phone 2. We will also discuss some things we can glean not from rumors but from Nothing's short history, the Phone 1, and things Carl Pei has said. Carl Pei has confirmed that there will be a follow-up to the Phone 1 and it will be called the Phone 2. We know this from a tweet Pei posted in December 2022. Unfortunately, that tweet's main purpose was to shoot down the idea that there would be a Phone 2 in the near future. Pei explained that the Phone 1 remains the brand's main focus, at least for now. However, Pei later confirmed on January 30th that the Phone 2 is coming in 2023. He held back on most specifics of the phone, but we are certain that there will be a Phone 1 follow-up this year. We are not certain when the new phone from Nothing could land. We only know that Pei plans to release the device sometime in late 2023. A launch could be imminent, but it's still unknown exactly when. However, we can look at the brief history of Nothing and get an idea of what we could possibly expect. In late February 2022, Pei brought a Nothing Phone 1 prototype to Mobile World Congress. He was spotted showing this prototype to Qualcomm's CEO. Sadly, we didn't see a Nothing Phone 2 prototype at this year's MWC. In March 2022, Pei announced the Phone 1 by telling us its name and teasing its design and some of its features. Nothing then spent the next few months slowly doling out information on the phone until it finally formally launched the device on July 12th. It is very possible and likely that we would see Nothing repeat this strategy for the Phone 2 this year. The Nothing Phone 1 is a budget phone. It starts at $500. We do not expect Nothing to suddenly jump up to the premium tier for the Phone 2. But with the Snapdragon 8 series chip, it will most likely increase in price to some extent. So that's everything, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that. And also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.